All right, friends. So for the majority, if not all of our lesson today, we are going to be focusing on the median, mode, and range of a set of numbers and answering questions about them. So we are on slide 9, so it's going to be a good idea for you to follow along with me and refer back to either this video or these, especially slides 9 and 10, to help you solve your problems. Okay? I will go over the posters in a better detail on slide 10 because they're very hard to read here. So, what the median is. The median is just the middle value of a set of numbers. Okay? So, for example, we have the set of numbers 4, 6, 7, 8, 8, 11, and 13. First of all, you notice that we had to arrange them from smallest to largest. Okay? And if you remember, what you do is you start with the first one, you kind of cross it off, and you would cross off the last one. Go to your second number, cross that off, and cross off the second to last one. Then you go to the third number, cross that off, and then you cross off the third to the last one, and when you have no numbers left, that is, or just one number left, I should say, that is your median. So in this case, it is 8. Then you have the mode. The mode, I kind of think of like median, I think of middle. Mode, I think of most. So the mode is the value or values, because you could have more than one, that appear most often in a set. Okay? So again, you take your numbers and you arrange them from smallest to largest. Like we have 4, 6, 7, 8, 11, 11, and 13. Let's just say those are the ages of our cousins. Okay? So I noticed that I have 2 cousins that are 11, but only one cousin of every other age. So then 11 would be our mode, because that's the number that appears the most. Now, if there was a number that appeared 3 times, that's okay. That would be the mode. Let's say 11 and 4 both had 2, then your modes would be 11 and 4. Okay, so you can have more than one mode. And then lastly, the range. The range is just the difference between the greatest and the smallest or the least number. The greatest number and your smallest number in your set. So again, we go back to our set of data numbers, 4, 6, 7, 8, 8, 11, and 13. Again, arranged from least to greatest. And then you just subtract the greatest number, 13, and the smallest number, minus 4, and your range would be 9. Okay? And here is a poster of the range, mode, and median that goes over again how to solve them. So make sure you read those posters. Okay, they are the exact same thing. Notice all of our numbers are arranged from smallest to largest. So that is important when finding each one. All right, slides 11 through 14 are going to be working with the range using data points. Okay, so slide 11. You're going to use this data points. Now we're working with fractions. So it's going to be a little bit trickier because now you have to remember how to find and add and subtract fractions. Remember, you have to have common denominators, especially with range because we are subtracting. So you're going to use this data. This is the data from page 237 in our student book. You've already done this. You worked on that earlier in the lesson. So for this, you're finding what is the range of your data. Remember, use the minimum and maximum or least and greatest numbers and then insert a selfie. Remember, this is when you subtract the greatest number and the smallest number. And then write your answer here and then post a selfie of your work. Slide 12. You should notice that, hey, after you've done your work on the next slide, you can have the answer from your previous problem. So to check your work, you can click here to find the answer for the range. Then on this slide, you're going to find the mode or what number appears the most. Okay, remember you can have more than one mode. Okay, but go back to those posters and earlier in this video to learn how to find for mode. Again, answer here, insert a selfie here. Slide 13. Again, you can check your answer for your mode. And now this one, you're finding the median or like your middle value. Okay. So, what is our middle value of this data? Answer, selfie. Okay. And slide 14 is just your answer for the median. All right. Good luck, everyone.